Music is all around us. Have you ever wondered how computers store sound in binary? Well, to store sound in binary, sound must first converted from analog to digital. ADC, known as analog to digital converter, captures a snapshot of the electric voltage on an audio line, which is then represented as a binary number that can be understood and stored on a computer. In the same way, DAC will convert binary into analog when sounds are playing on our devices. It's this simple reason behind that let us enjoy our music all day long.